Hi everybody, today we're going to do a book called Scaredy Cats. I just thought it looked cute and funny. We'll see what this is about. Probably scaredy cats. Hey bud, what's in the box? I don't know, but I think it's a cake. Yum! Okay. But what if it's not a cake? Not a cake? Huh? Right. What if it's really a big hungry crocodile waiting to eat us up? Boo! Yikes! No, that's silly. I'm sure it's just a cake. And I'm going to eat it all up. Yum, 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 yum. Wait. What if it's not just a cake? Huh? And what if it's a cake and a crocodile? Oh no! Yoo-hoo! Oh no! And what if it's a cake, a croc, and a fierce tiger? A tiger? Roar! Ta-ba! Eek! Or a cake, a croc, a fierce tiger, and a great white shark. Mwahaha! Ah! Or a cake, a croc, a fierce tiger, a shark, and a huge hungry T-Rex. Come to Papa! Or a cake, a croc, a tiger, a shark, a T-Rex, and a 30-ton monster guinea pig. Meep. Oh no! It's a guinea pig! Help! Get me out of here! Meep, 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 meep. Wait! Don't go! Yum! What if it really is just a cake? Yum. What do you think was in there? They didn't tell us. Do you think it was the monster or do you think it was cake? I say it's cake. Grandma wants cake. Papa loves cake. Mwah. I love you. Have a great day.